Ever wondered how Kotlin handles calculations, comparisons, or logic operations? In this video, we'll break down Kotlin's most important operators, from arithmetic to logical, with easy-to-understand examples. Arithmetic operators in Kotlin. Arithmetic operators are used for basic math operations. Kotlin supports these common arithmetic operators: plus for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, slash for division, percent for modulus, which gives the remainder. These work with numbers like int, double, or float. Logical operators. Logical operators help you combine multiple Boolean expressions. The key ones are AND. Logical AND returns true if both conditions are true. Or, logical OR, returns true if at least one condition is true. Logical NOT inverts a Boolean value.